Today I will show you how to make this little closet and how to fill it up in an easy way. For this tutorial you will need this little closet from our living room furniture kit. You can find this on our website. You will also need a paint and paintbrush which comes with the furniture kit, some pieces of fabric, a needle and thread, and scissors. I already put my closet together, you can watch that video here. There are 4 paint colors in the kit. I am painting my closet in a simple brown color today. When everything is painted, you can make some decorations if you like to. I am painting some little flowers on top. Now let it dry completely. Now we can fill the closet with piles of clothes. For this you will need some pieces of fabric. Maybe you have some old t-shirts or towels laying around. You can use every type of fabric you like. Cut up the fabric in little rectangles and get your needle and thread sorted. Every piece of fabric needs to be folded twice. Thread your needle through the center and now continue with the next piece. You can make the pile as high as you like. At the end, you need to thread the needle all the way back to the bottom and tie a little knot in it. Now you can make enough piles to fill the closet. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next week. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye!